everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Simran and today in this video I'll discuss with you writing task 1. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So our question for today is, the table illustrates the proportion of monthly household income of 5 European countries spent on food and drink, housing, clothing and entertainment. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So we are given the proportion of household income of 5 European countries. It's not off here, because proportion of household income 5 European countries spend on food and drink, housing, clothing and entertainment. So the 5 European countries are France, Germany, UK, Hungary and Italy, and they spent on food and drink, housing, clothing and entertainment. So their spending is in front of you. Let's see how we will answer this. The table shows how much 5 European countries households spend each month on 4 different products. Overall, it is clear that all 5 countries spend the bulk of their income on food and shelter, but even less on clothes and entertainment. So on food and housing, so we can see on food and housing, the spending was high if we compare to clothing and entertainment. So they spent quite less on these two and high on food and housing. Now, housing is the most expensive item in France, Germany and United Kingdom, with each country spending roughly a third of, or roughly 1/3 of their income. 1/3 means 30% approximately. No, 1/3 is approximately 33%, right? So it's nearly 33, we can say it's 30, 33, 37%. So roughly we have said that their spending was 1/3. 1/3 means 33%, 33.33. So for France, Germany and UK, the spending was 1/3 on housing, and it was the highest spending. See, the highest spending by all these three. In other items, the spending was quite low. So they spent about a quarter of their income on food and drink. A quarter is like, see, this is the pie chart. We divide it into 4 quarters. So this is a quarter, which is of 25%. So they spent about 25%. If we're talking about these countries, France, Germany and UK, so their spending was about 25%, means nearly a quarter on the food and drink. And if we talk about reversing the trend, means the trend was opposite for Hungary and Italy. On the other hand, they spent 20%. They spent 20% of their income on housing, but about a third on food and drink. So on housing, they spent about 20% of their money, but on food and drink, they spent a third, means approximately 33%, which is, again we are saying about, so means nearly a third of their money on these items, food and drink. Now the remaining two products are significantly less expensive for all 5 nations. France and Italy spend the least on clothes at less than 10%. So France and Italy on clothing, they spent even less than 10%, while the other 3 countries spent about the same amount, ranging from 11 to 16%. So they spent approximately same amount, ranging from 11 to 16%, okay, on clothing. Now lastly, Germany spends the most on entertainment at 19%. If we talk about entertainment, Germany spent the most, 19% on it, followed by United Kingdom and Hungary, which spent about half as much as Germany. If we talk about United Kingdom and Hungary, they spent half, about half. See, it's approximately, if we say this is 20, the half is 10 or 11, nearly. That's why we are saying about half as much as Germany. Lastly, the expenditure of France and Italy on entertainment was 18% and 15% respectively. So it was 18% and 15% respectively on entertainment, the expenditure of these two countries. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.